Hey guys, as you guys can see from the title, I've got a package and these are squishy these are so famous, so I was really interested. Kasto huncha squishy bhanera kinna man lageko थियो के मलाई पनि ट्राई गर्न मन लागेको थियो and I ordered this from eBay. Yetro package ma aako cha and I will show you what I got one by one hai ta. So this is my first squishy. So basically squishy चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ भने एकदमै क्यूट हुन्छ के like जे पनि हुन सक्छ squishy मा like burger, milk and stuff like that. But check this out, यो चाहिँ milk को bottle हो र they say squishy चाहिँ it's for stress relief also. So you know, you just press this thing and you just slowly rise huncha ke. So it looks like this inside the package. So I'm gonna remove this. eBay bata kineko मैले by the way. Kati paryo होला 2 pound, less than 2 pound pareko. So basically यसलाई मैले अघि squeeze गरेको थिएँ नि त. So slowly यसको चाहिँ rise भएको छ and it's so fun to watch and this thing is so cute as well. जसरी squeeze गरे पनि like ooh, it goes back to its real shape, हैन? Check this out. कस्तो slowly rise भइरहेको छ. It's so fun and cute and I just love this, guys. So yo, मेरो first squishy. Oh my god, I can't stop playing with this. Yellow अनि white color को छ अनि आँखा छ, मुख छ, side बाट यस्तो देख्छ. See, it's so cute. So यो मेरो first squishy हो. अर्को चाहिँ यो छ. It's a cat burger. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this. It's back to its normal shape. Oh my god, it's so cute. So orange color ko cha, cat ko color, hariyo color ko, like brown color ko, yellow color ko burger patties, cheese ani green stuff haru cha. Ra yo duita चाहिँ bun ho ra as you guys can see it is so squishy. Like के कस्तो के to गर्न कस्तो मज्जा आउँदो रहेछ के. Oh my god, look at this. Slow rise भइरहेको छ हैन. यो चाहिँ अर्को छ. यो चाहिँ latte ho, I guess. It's in a pink cup अनि whipping cream छ top मा अनि यहाँ चाहिँ सानो pipe छ. कति cute. Ooh, look at that. It is a stress reliever. अर्को चाहिँ donut हो हैन. So this is the donut. Orange color को छ donut चाहिँ र यसको frosting चाहिँ pink color को छ अनि आँखा र मुख छ यहाँ र let's squeeze this. Oh my god. Okay, यो चाहिँ अलि छिट्टो fast raise भयो के like हुन्छ नि. This is so fun. अर्को चाहिँ oh my god. It's back. Look at this. Strawberry cake. Oh my god, it's so big as well. मैले सोचेको भन्दा ठुलो छ. Look at these strawberries. यहाँ चाहिँ whipping cream छ अनि pink color को cake छ. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cute. I just want to eat this. It is the cutest thing ever, guys. My bag is empty. I just love it. Oh my god. So that's all for the video, squishy video. This is my squishies. I'm really happy. Bye.